I'm sorry, guys. Why am I laying into tourists so hard? I think it's the bushy tail. That's the biggest thing. Well. First I say hello to the boys, and then I say hello to the girls, then I say hello to the bike. We're back. It's time. The bike is still, oh god, oh, it's still vertical as we are over here by this beautiful view. One would think it's very, very special. Very special, yeah. Yes, tourism, yes. Right, so tourism, very special. Everybody's very impressed. I mean, especially these people from Florida. Look at them. Holy shit, can you believe the view? Can you believe the bridge or two coming together? All right, I actually had some sort of a story planned. Yeah, so this is what I had something planned. What did I have planned? I don't remember. Fudge, I should have wrote it down. I knew I should have wrote it down. No, I had some sort of a vlog idea, but obviously it's gonna be yet another silly one. No, there's no room here. You won't be able to stop. Come on. Look at these folks. Look at this wetness, moisture. Crotch gonna be wet. All part of the fun. All good. Fucking bike starting like it's 8 million years old. Too funny. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. Are we ready to cruise? We're ready to go? Am I ready to go home? Have I had enough for one day? The answer to all that is yes. The answer to all that is yes. Let's be gentle because it is 37 degrees and it is a little bit slippery. We are 100% getting around this guy. No time for that. We're 100% getting around everybody because we don't have time for this shit. What are we doing, bruh? What's happening here, soldier? We're scared. Ma'am. Oh, I actually lost traction there. Fucking stupid tourists, man. They're so like they want to jaywalk and they want to act like New Yorkers, right? But then they're scared. Then they freeze. They're like, oh, what? See? There you go, kid. Holy shit. Traction control fucking sensation today. Alright, okay. Was I just mean to some tourist? Yeah. Because she got scared. She was like, oh no. Oh no. Like, look at these fucking people. They literally are like real New Yorkers give these fucking tourists a bad ideas. You know what I mean? Like this right here. You know? Like the fucking tourist thinks they can behave. Alright, so this vlog is going to be about the tourists. The things that tourists should or should not do. One thing that a tourist should not do is try to pretend like you're a little New Yorker, bro. You're gonna get hit by a fucking car, my boy. You're gonna get hit by a fucking vehicle, my boy. You know what I mean? Take it easy. Take it sleazy. Get in there. Ooh. aggressive. Come on, champion. A little bit of traction control slippage. My family. Why are you going so slow, family? What is wrong with you? Why am I cranking? Oh, right, I didn't have lunch. Shit. And look, it's totally dry here. It's totally fucking dry here. Bro, are you going or not? Holy shit. I'm sorry, guys. Why am I laying into tourists so hard? I think it's just what the fuck is that? I think it's just like the cluelessness of it. The like, you know, the fucking the bright joyous smile and bushy tail. You know, the bushy tail. I think it's the bushy tail. That's the biggest thing. The bushy tail is the one that tells the tourists not to come. That tells the tourist, run along. Go to some other town where you actually belong. Holy shit, bruh. What is going on over here? Fucking guy. You know you got a turn signal on, right? What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Oh shit, I forgot there's a speed camera here. Gotta be below 35, my boy. Really? What's happening here? Ooh, the car is fucked. Oops. Oopsie. I don't know what this is about. Person is fucking weird. Weird. I don't know. I think people are just, you know, they're like in their own magical little world. They're just, the same way that I'm like violating rules and being aggressive and all that, there's extremes to that. You could literally be like passive as dog shit, you know, like that guy behind me. Why is he 8 feet behind the fucking stop sign? No idea. The same reason why I'm in the fucking crosswalk, right? I don't know why anybody's doing anything, to be honest. But I do know one thing, though. Bitches, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Monday through Sunday, yo. It's all good. It's all good. We're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. The fucking Okay, bye.